Hello and welcome to Chiropractic and Manual Therapy. Dr. Verg here, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about discogenic pain, or pain that comes from your disc, and a little bit about disc herniations. I will show you one particular exercise or stretch that can help if you have chronic low back pain because of your disc. A lot of times this is not taught. People miss this and don't know about this, and I just want to give this to you as a tool. This is a stretch for your abdominal muscles because we as a society do a lot of sitting. When we drive or do work, that tenses them up, tightens them, and that way puts pressure on our low back. First, you can try, if your low back is hurting, just kind of be on your elbows and pull your body forward. You should feel a stretch not only in your low back and tension, but also in the front of your body. To increase that, you can also bend your feet and try to bend forward a little bit more. A little bit more strenuous way to do this is going on your hands, also bending your feet and pulling yourself forward. If you have chronic pain in your low back, this can help if this is discogenic pain. If this is acute pain or really sharp and suddenly came on because of injury or inflammation, then you could do this exercise, but you got to be careful to gradually increase that pressure on your low back. As long as you feel better after, this is what you should do. You see, discogenic pain is responsible for 40% of low back pain. We only found that out in 1994 when Bogduk and Schwarzer and the rest, they did an experiment injecting those discs. And so discogenic pain is very prevalent, and this is one way you can help yourself, and we're going to talk about more exercises and show some MRIs in the next video.